YouTube channel, it's your boy Jake, so easy vlog back on this video. So today, if you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the notification bell in the bottom of the video. So today, I'm gonna come up with my so now, prepare now, my whole of fish now, and prepare now, and give back to you. So I'm gonna leave out now. I'm gonna trim me here, as you can see. Me want do. So I'm prepare for film graduation. You see right there, so yeah. So I prepare for film graduation. Come see me here want do. And everything that me want trim. You see it. So you want me to make sure to watch the entire video, watch the full video, subscribe if you're new, turn the notification bell, and like the video, share it and comment about it. What I about me. I give me ear trim and the full official video I'll post the film graduation. So look out for that. The full official video, cause we are lined up right now. Cause my auntie get prepared, me get prepared, my mother get prepared, everybody get prepared in the house. So we are gonna leave the house today or not come back again. You get that? We're not come back again. So soon is soon. Soon I'm in there Alaska, right? Soon I'm in there Alaska. A joke. Yeah, so my all fish already, but on this as the yard close, so my trim first. Then later, after 3, we're gonna head out. Yeah, I'm going to like the video and subscribe. And we are show everything. I hope I can show everything though. Me know yet. So outside is so right on my camera. Yeah. See there. Yeah, so I'm soon now. In done jelly. Guys, see the finishing touch. I'm gonna give a video down there. Cause the panel is down there with the sound that play down there. And someone will get the video. So the finishing look. Okay guys, so you see the finishing. Yeah, so you see the finishing look. Kind of a thumbnail. Alright, so finishing touch guys. Long as are gone. Yeah, so you need to trim and I read from 1 to 10 in the comment section. So all for now, if you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the notification bell to a new video. Yeah, so you're out like a live.